Hi friends, Gabriela Reveles here, and today I would like to share with you guys a simple romantic updo. I have Madeline here with me today, so let's see what we can create today. Now I'm gonna divide this section, and I have 2 strands, and basically I'm gonna just do 2 knots, so you using the hair like a tying up your shoes and creating these knots, and it's gonna give me like a nice little pattern to use almost like a hairband. And I'm gonna repeat the same step again all over. I create this pattern here, and now with this extra hair I'm gonna do the same thing, just put them these directions. I hope you enjoy it, and if you want to make it a little bit more fancier, you can add this hair accessory.